Hello, Synergizers. Good morning.
Hello.
Hey, Pawan.
Very well, thank you.
Okay. So, last time, did you enjoy the activity baseline expressions?
Yes, it was like a discovery for me as well.
Okay. How about you, Govind?
Yeah, Pawan, the same lines.
Okay. So, you found that health and fitness is an area which you're really enjoying.
Truly.
Yes.
Wonderful. So, great, guys. Now let's have another activity, which is another exciting activity. The name of the activity is baseline non expressions. Exactly opposite to that now. Okay. So, I'm going to give you a few instructions. You can open your manuals and read that. So I'll read for you. Step one is look at your major areas of your life, like health, relationship, finances, etc. And step two, look at your 6 baselines again and see that, and then write down how they are not being expressed in those areas of your life. So, how are they not being expressed in those areas of your life? Okay. So, do you need any explanation further on this? Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear.
All right. So, I think 15 minutes are sufficient for this.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, please do this activity, and I'm going to meet you after 15 minutes. All right, guys. So, have you completed the exercise?
Yeah, Pawan. We are done.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, we can start with Govind. Govind,
Sure, Pawan.
tell us,
So,
tell us which areas did you realize that your baselines are not being used, are not being expressed? And, you can tell us now. Then I'll ask the
so
same
for me,
after you.
okay. So for me, career, three of my baselines didn't, meet. One is creativity, impact, and beauty. I found like there is a mismatch. I mean, they didn't fit in, so I didn't feel the connect. So that's the reason probably I, rated myself 6 in area of my career. So
Okay.
yes, and in finance and wealth,
How many, how
4 of my
many, how
baselines were
many
missing.
baselines are being met in your area of career?
3, 3
Three,
meet and 3 do not meet.
three.
Yes.
Okay. That
So
really is a
yes. So
concern.
the truly.
Okay. All right.
truly.
And which is another area of your life?
So finance and wealth.
Finance
So
and wealth.
there 4 of my baselines do not meet.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's creativity, impact, beauty, and determination. So I
Okay.
found like as you told, in comparison with Wheel of Life. So probably that's why I scored myself 4 over there. I was feeling 3, but on the upper end I scored myself 4. So it really makes sense, this step. I'm not feeling that connect in that area. So probably the way I evaluated myself, it seems appropriate. Yes.
Did you realize now that why are you not enjoying these areas like career and wealth, because your baselines, maximum baselines are not being met there?
Yes, it was a
Okay,
revealing thing for me.
revealing thing. Very good. So, Prerna ji, the same question to you also. Which areas did you find your baselines are not being expressed?
Very coincidentally, career and business
Oh,
and
okay.
finances and wealth. Because, like I said, I came to a point where I tried businesses and I work with NGOs, but it's been a stagnation. So I realized when I did this activity, uh, whatever businesses I have tried, somehow they have not pulled through. Probably because of the family, the commitment time is limited. One of my baselines is committed. Then it's not making a difference because it's not going anywhere. And so then, in spite of giving whatever time I'm giving, when it's not working out, so even the family feels disappointed for me that, like whatever time she's putting in, but the things what she's trying is not like pulling off. And then with that, I'm losing faith in the career I have chosen because it's not pulling through. So I feel, and these get connected to the finances and the wealth as well. So this is where I majorly feel that my baselines are not being met.
Now, did you realize that why are you not enjoying the areas like wealth, your possession, your career? Why are you not enjoying these areas?
Yes.
Yeah. So, can we
Correct.
call the breakthroughs, these breakthroughs in your lives in this activity?
Yes, it has brought a lot more awareness of, because they're trying to sink in the baselines, which probably was not there before we joined this program.
Are we realizing now that if our decisions are based on our core baselines, obviously there are going to be the better expected results,
Yes.
as we had started with Inner DNA program, right?
Yes.
So I'm so happy for both of you that you have realized the areas where your core baselines are not being met. That's very wonderful. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this activity now, and that's really wonderful. We will meet next week now with another exciting activity. Until then, have a great time and have a great life. And I request both of you to be in touch with each other as well as with me whenever you find that you want some kind of clarification or you want to consult me. You can talk to me on my given number with you. All right.
Sure,
So
Pawan. Sure.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Thank you so much and have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day, Pawan. Good day, Prerna.